guys, I'm Lena, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I do this volume on my very thin and fine hair. So I just washed my hair, they're wet right now, and all hairstylists say that it's better to do your hair on the second day because when you hair super clean, they're not so easy to style, but I really like the fresh feeling on my head, so I'm gonna do it right after the hair wash. If I have enough time, I usually let my hair air dry, but for today I'm gonna blow dry it and be right back with you. So there are my hair after I blow dry them. As you can see, they are really silky and straight, but there is no volume at all. And I think it's a little bit harder to do a volume on a straight hair because if you do it on a curly hair, you have curls to hide little imperfections, and if you have straight hair like this, you just don't have a room for this. And what I do when my hair is completely dry, I use this magic brush. I have this brush with me already 5 years, I think, and I honestly don't remember where I got it, but it's really typical toothbrush, so I will put a link to the similar one in the description. So I moved a little bit down so you can see my hair better. I always start from the back. I comb my hair like this a little bit, take the very first part, and the very top layer of my back I just comb like this and just put it and don't touch it. Right after this, I take the next part and comb it too. I comb every single layer of the hair that I took, and then I start to teasing it from the top to the bottom like this, but only from the back side. And then I use the hairspray that is really works for me. It's bad head and it's hard head, extra strong hold. I'm going to the next part. After I don't touch the first layer and second layer I tease only on the back, the all next layers I gonna tease on the back and on the front, and also use hairspray on the both sides. And I only tease like 3-5 layers, and the rest of the hair I leave as it is. And then we're moving to the side parts. As I did previously, I don't touch very first layer of my hair. Tease the second only from the bottom side, and then tease rest of it. But I try to concentrate on the back of my head more than on the front parts. And for the side parts, 3 max 4 layers is enough. I'm gonna do the next side and be right back with you. Don't freak out, it's not a final result, but you can see a lot of volume. What I do next is that I use the same brush that I was using for tease my hair and start to comb it. when you comb it properly, there should be no hair sticking out. And at the very last step, I use the coconut oil hydration mist. I'm usually spray it on my hand and put it on the bottom parts of my hair. And this is the final result. And I understand that it can be not very impressive for the girl who have naturally volume hair or curly hair, but for the girl that have thin, fine, straight, super straight hair like me, I think it's nice. So I hope this video was helpful for some of you. If you know your own secret hair tips to a lot of volume, please let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. See you next week.
I said beat me up, I'm on fire, I'm on my grind, cause that's all we know, beat me up, I'm getting higher, I'm on mine, got me singing, all we know, beat me up, I'm on fire, I'm on my grind, got me singing, oh yeah, got you looking at